So this year we celebrate DPL's 50th anniversary, and we wanted to do something special, something challenging, something not attempted by many, something that gives back to nature and leaves a positive impact.
Therefore, our final objective is to restore this ecosystem for the benefit of the entire world.
And this is the first time I'm seeing something that of this magnitude. We are trying to connect with the nature once more, which we have destroyed over the years, and it's great to have the products on board with us.
We talk about sustainability offer, but being here makes it real. This is what protecting the future actually looks like. 50 years from now, I hope people will walk through this forest and feel proud knowing DPL choose to act when it matters. This is leadership in its truest form, not leading by an office, but from the ground, where change begins.